Hey guys, I'm excited to invite you to the Volume 3 Making a Reddit Clone to Single Page Application Architecture. So first of all, about myself, my name is Anto Aravind, who will be your instructor of this course. And also I'm working as a software engineer for my day-to-day activities and my earnings. And it's been a long time committing to open source projects like React, learn everything and more than that. So this particular volume has section 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we'll just walk over each section and what it does. So the first section, we're going to understand the fundamentals of Node, and we will also put our current existing index.html onto the server so that it can be served from the server itself. And finally, we'll also understand a little bit about Chrome Dev Tools. In section 2, we will boost up by understanding single page application architecture, what it's all about, and we'll also see and discuss the techniques for handling page reloads in SPA architecture. And finally, we'll also discuss about generating elements via Ajax calls dynamically so that it fits into our single page application architecture. In section 3, we will deep dive into how one could be able to share the URL, or how URL is literally used in a single page application architecture. And we'll also talk and discuss about history objects API, mainly the push state and the pop events and stuff like that. And finally, we'll also see how one could be able to keep the state itself in the history object, or retrieving the state from the history object. In section 4, we will actually understand what is actually called as local storage, and we will see the use cases of local storage. And finally, we'll also discuss about the tips and tricks of when to invalidate the storage. Finally, in the section 5, the last section of this particular volume, we'll talk about where do we go from here, right? And we'll also touch base a little bit about Angular and as well as React. So welcome all again to this particular course, and I'm pretty much sure you're going to enjoy this course by learning JavaScript by example. Thank you.